Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the chapter number 7 from Literature Reader. It is a poem. The name of the poem is Who Stole the Bird's Nest, written by Lydia Maria Child. The poem is written by Lydia Maria Child. She is an American women's rights activist. She has written this poem to teach a lesson on kindness and humbleness. Here in the poem, she has tried to teach us that we humans are not supposed to tease or hurt any other living being. The characters of the poem are bird, nest, eggs, cow, dog, sheep, crow, girl, boy, and second girl. Here in the poem, a small mother sparrow is very much disturbed and sad because someone has stolen her 4 eggs and her nest that she has made. First of all, she visited a farm nearby and asked a cow whether she has any idea about sparrow's eggs and nest. The cow replied that I don't know. She also told that she had not done anything like it. Moreover, she told that she gives a wisp of hay but never takes from the sparrow. Then the bird visited a kennel and asked a dog about her eggs and nest. The dog also denied. He said that he used to give her hairs to help in making of nest. The dog is its own eyes is not so mean. Then the bird visits the sheep. The sheep said that she gives wool for the nest but never ever thinks to treat poor bird like this. Then the bird asks a crow. The crow said that it is more eager to know about the thief of the nest and eggs. Mary Green said that she cannot think to rob a bird and she is not so mean. Little Alice Neal says that she is not that cruel to hurt a small bird. She is feeling bad because she is assuming about the sadness of the bird. A little boy who was hiding himself behind the bed had stolen the nest and eggs. He felt so full of shame that even did not listen to tell his name. So, dear students, have you seen that we humans are not so friendly with other living beings? I suggest you to be more friendly with others. Keep a bowl of water for birds, feed them, try to give something to eat to street dogs, offer some eatables to any animals. Now, enjoy the poem, enjoy the beauty of the nature. Be friendly with others and enjoy the art, Mother Nature, and the beauty of the nature. Look at the screen and enjoy. Yes. Listen carefully. The bird chirping. See the beautiful bird. The sound of bird. So beautiful bird. Birds are so beautiful and loving. Wow. So nice. See the another bird chirping. Blackbird. So enjoy the poem. Listen the video carefully. Watch the video carefully and try to understand the poem. Have a nice day.